Dalong.
Way! Let's eat
Dahil pa ka
guys. Yeah. Okay. Kanina galing to? Okay? Ate Kesha, wow! You just pull it, anak. Pull mo lang ganun. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Dandan niya. It's a
dress.
wow! Show. Wow! Ang ganda naman!
It's upside down actually. I love it.
You love it?
Watch yan.
Kay Ate Era galing. Wow! May message siya, anak. Enjoy your day. Stay pretty and cute. We love you so much from Ate Hera. Wow! Thank you, Ate Hera. Ate, open it. Pull mo.
It's a kitty and dog.
Dress? Wow! You have a new dress and drawing book. Ay, wow, may sticker ka, anak. Wow, thank you, guys. Love, boo, damit. Ang cute naman. Thank you po. May pansamba siya pa ka, no? Wow, ang ganda. Yan naman kay Tita Bok galing. So you're gonna help you? Ikaw na. Kaya mo yan.
There's so sweet to me na.
Opo. So much kanilang love.
Because today is my birthday.
Yes. You need help?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Just kidding. Yay!
Wow. You love it?
Yeah!
Ano sabihin sa kanila?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Kiss mo sila.
Oh, look, may sticker na to.
Oo nga.